If you are over 65 and walking every day, you may still be losing leg strength right now without even realizing it. Walking is excellent for your heart, but it does not fully protect your legs, balance, or stability as you age. As a surgeon, I see this every week. People who walk daily yet struggle to stand, climb stairs, or avoid falls. When leg strength begins to fade, everyday activities become dangerous: chairs, stairs, bathrooms, even getting out of bed. The good news is you do not need a gym, equipment, or long workouts, only the right movements. Walking mainly builds endurance, not strength, and after 65, strength declines faster than most people expect. You can look active and feel fine while leg muscles quietly weaken underneath the surface. Most falls are not caused by weakness alone, but by muscles failing to react quickly enough. Walking barely challenges your thighs, hips, glutes, calves, or core, the muscles that keep you upright. That is why surgeons recommend simple strength movements instead of relying on long walks alone. This first movement predicts how long you stay independent after 65. The chair. Sit to stand. If standing up is difficult, stairs, toilets, and getting into cars become dangerous very quickly. Sit tall. Keep your feet flat. Stand slowly. Then lower yourself back down with full control. This strengthens your thighs, hips, and glutes. The muscles walking barely activates. When done daily, standing up feels easier within weeks, not months. The second exercise protects your balance and reduces fall risk. Heel raises. Most falls begin at the ankles, not the knees and not the hips. Hold a chair, rise slowly onto your toes, pause briefly, then lower with control. Stronger calves mean faster reactions and fewer dangerous missteps. Now comes the movement that corrects shuffling, sharpens coordination, and prevents tripping. Strong hips keep your body upright, balanced, and stable with every single step. Hold a chair, lift one knee slowly, lower it, then switch sides with full control. This movement strengthens the connection between your brain and your legs. It teaches your feet to lift properly, reducing trips and sudden stumbles. Most seniors say walking feels safer and more confident within just a few weeks. When combined, these three movements reactivate your entire lower body. They improve circulation and reduce heaviness in the legs. Many people notice less knee and leg discomfort within a few weeks. Stronger legs mean less fear, less dependence, and more freedom. Being able to move on your own is the greatest strength after 65. These exercises make climbing stairs safer and far less stressful. You stop relying on your arms just to stand up from a chair. Balance stays stronger even during nighttime movements. When your legs feel strong, fear slowly disappears, and less fear leads to fewer dangerous falls. These exercises take only a few minutes each day. You can do them in the morning or evening, whatever feels best. If pain appears, slow down. Consistency matters more than intensity. These are safe, age-appropriate movements, not extreme workouts. Small daily habits prevent big accidents later in life. After 65, strength is not optional, it is essential. Strong legs keep your life in your control. Keep walking, but without strength training, the risk remains. Starting today can prevent serious problems tomorrow. Comment your beautiful name and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.